cash, jumping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. Oji the cash, jumping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
highlifeng.com.
Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire, make food enter belle. Money hard to get it, now work and sweat it. Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire, make food enter belle. Money hard to get it, now work and sweat it. Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire, make food enter belle. Money hard to get it, now work and sweat it. Billionaire, Onyeji cash, jumping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. Billionaire, Onyeji cash, jumping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. When you get the cash, you gonna say life with the sweet everything in the yes because you carry the naira. Makanoba maka, poor man, a joka billionaire sucker. Makanoba maka, poor man, a joka billionaire sucker. Billionaire, Onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. Billionaire, Onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. Billionaire, Onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. for money. Maka why? Oji the cash. Billionaire, Oji the cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why? Oji the cash. Billionaire, Oji the cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why? Oji the cash.
Kiss me again, oh. Asa. Jay, Asama. Asa. You know, say not true. I go do anything for you. Asam better one, your ma. If you name me, my so go. Asa. Now me and you go leave. Asa.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. You guys, I've been busy since morning to the extent that I forgot that I haven't made a proper intro for this video. I'm so tired. In fact, my tire is tired at this point, seriously, and I'm about heading to the market. By the way, you guys are welcome to another busy day in my life. I want them to see you. Come and show your face, busybody. Come and show your face. Come. Come and show your face. By the way, if you are new to this channel, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Ada, a YouTuber based in Delta State, Nigeria. And to my old subscribers, I throw a salute. You guys are the best. Thank you. So this moment, I'm about heading to the market. I want to go and buy some food stuff. I want to make soup. This afternoon. Look at lashes. So I'm planning to remove these lashes, but I want to pull it together with this hair. I don't like carrying packing gel without lashes. I don't know why. But the lashes, this particular one is about to fly out. I'll manage it for today. So I'm about going to the market. I want to go and buy some food stuff. I want to make soup, onubu soup. So onubu soup and oha soup, because my husband doesn't like onubu. He prefers oha to onubu, but me, I love onubu. In fact, onubu is my favorite. So I'll be making oha and onubu this afternoon. But first of all, I'll be going to my husband's business place to go and drop my baby. Yes, I don't want her to follow me to the market. You guys, the last time I went to the market, the market was so busy. Like people wey get money don't just shop for Christmas things. We no get money now. They won't push us for. They won't push me for gutter that day. Almost. And I went with my baby in my bag. This one, they will hit her bow. The other one will hit her bag. So today, I don't even want to experience it again. And the sun is too much. I'll be branching my husband's business place to go and drop her. Then from there, he even forgot one thing at home. He called me to bring it while coming. So I will take it to him and then drop my small madam and start heading to the market. So hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Please enjoy the rest of the vlog. If you have watched to this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I wonder what you are waiting for. Which one do you want? Should I fry egg for you? Please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will get notified. And share my videos, guys. Please share my videos. Always drop your comment down below. Tell me what you always think of my videos, so that I'm open for correction, so that I'll always correct myself. And you guys should enjoy the rest of the vlog. Mama, you don't want to come and say hi? You don't want to come and say hi? I say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Come, say it with your mouth. Say it.
Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire. Make food to enter belly. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat.
I'm back from the market right now and I've already started cooking. Sorry I didn't vlog the market. Yes, I wanted to vlog the market and show you guys how busy that market is, but one more, as the bike just stopped me, I came down from bike. I saw about 2 or 3 women crying. The other one was the other side crying. People gathered. The other woman also was the other side crying. I asked people, they said that the other woman, they stole her purse, they snatched her purse from her. Why the other woman, they stole her phone from her? I don't know, from inside. People that came to buy something came to her store and stole her phone. That was how I put my phone inside my purse. So come here. Anything that happened to this phone, I be say I don't die with that now. So that's the reason why I didn't vlog the market. Besides, this is not a market vlog. So I'm already cooking. I was supposed to go to church this evening, you guys. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I was supposed to go to church this evening, but I'm not sure I'll be going again. Seriously. Once I'm done cooking, I'll just eat and sleep. I want to divide the soup into two, because one is for my husband, or her is for my husband. One bitter leaf is for me.
Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. The cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. The cash. When you get the cash, you're gonna sell life with the sweet everything in a yes sir, because you carry the naira. Makanoba maka, poma, najoka bilonia saka. Makanoba maka, poma, najoka bilonia saka. Bilonia, oyeji cash.
So guys, we are done cooking. I'm sitting outside the kitchen. You guys, the heat inside the kitchen is something else. Look at how I'm sweating. If you absolutely enjoy everything you watched today, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, share this video, like this video. Always drop your comment in the comment section, and I will definitely see you all in my next one. Bye.